Good morning everyone. Today I am going to tell the difference between list and tuple. Generally when I ask many people the difference between list and tuple, the only difference that they tell is that list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Yes, that's correct, but still there are many differences between list and tuple. So the first thing is that suppose consider a list. And consider a tuple. Whenever a list is created, generally list stores the address of the elements of the list. For example, this is a list. Assume the address of 1 is 1000, 2 is 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. So list stores the address of the elements of list. So general list stores 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, and 1000 will be pointing to 1, this will be pointing to 2, this will be pointing to 3, 4, 5. When a tuple is created, tuple has the address of first element of a tuple. So the address of this is 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009. So tuple just has the address of first element of tuple. So tuple just has 1005. So because of this, the list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Since tuple just has the address of first element, so if I have to go to tu of 3, so it will be like 1005 plus some offset 2 plus 2, it will be 1007. So 0 1 2 tuple of 2, it will be 1007. So tuple of 2 will be 8. Whereas in case of list, since it is mutable, if I do li of 3, is equal to 10. If I make li of 3 is equal to 10, somewhere 10 will be stored in the memory, and address of 10, suppose it is 5000, then li of 3 will be, it comes here 0 1 2 3, and then in 1003 the address of this will be changed to 5000. So whenever you fetch li of 3, you will directly get 5000. So the first difference is list is mutable and tuple is immutable. And then comes the second difference. Second difference is memory consumed. Since it has the address of all the elements of the elements, memory consumed in case of list will be more. Since it just has the address of first element of a tuple, so memory consumed in case of tuple will be very less. And then accessing speed in case of list, it will be comparatively slower, whereas tuples are accessing a tuple will be very fast. Accessing a list will be slower. Now I'll tell you the real-time applications of lists and tuples. Tuples are generally used in applications like linear search and binary search, where we have to just traverse a tuple in order to find the element. Whereas list is used in an application where we have to replace the element in a array. And one more thing is that li of 3 is equal to 100. It works in case of list, whereas tu of 3 is equal to 200. This doesn't work in case of tuple because tuples are immutable and list is mutable. And if I have to give an analogy to remember tuples, so in our life also we have to be very fast, we have to consume less memory, and we should always stand on our grounds. So nobody should be able to replace our values and our thoughts. What I have seen is that students will have doubts in remembering the things. So what I feel is that they have to create some trick in order to remember things. For example, this was a trick which was used by me in order to remember sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. It is OA. So sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So that is sine theta is O, that is opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is A, that is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, that is OA. Also tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Also today I want to tell the difference between love and attachment. Love is born out of compassion. Attachment is born out of ego. Love tells that my son will get worldly happiness from God, but attachment tells I will give worldly happiness to my son. Love tells I am proud of my son, whereas attachment tells he should be proud of me. Love liberates us, Lohit, whereas attachment binds us. Thank you.